Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be doing a hair review from a hair company from Amazon. It's a mullet. Show you guys how it originally came, and then I ended up cutting it just a little bit to get to this look. I like it like this, but knowing me, I probably will end up cutting it. But if you want to see how I got this far and how the wig came, just continue to watch this video. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. So as you can see, this hair is from Amazon and it is a mullet. I've already worn this hair, so I will insert some pictures of how I looked with the hair. But I want to cut it because I don't really like the mullet, and the part that was back here has kind of matted up already. It's a synthetic wig, so I'm not expecting it to be top quality. So what I'm going to do in this video is to show you guys how I'm going to shape the back, get that more fitting for me, because I feel like this will be probably worn best as a shortcut. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks on before I started cutting. So let's go ahead and put the wig on, but I'm going to show you what it comes with. So the bag, it comes in its own self-care bag. You just put the wig in here and store it, but it didn't come with like an individual net to put the wig in before I put it in here. So hopefully this will still do good for that type of synthetic wig. It did come with a net for your actual hair, but the wig, when I was looking at it before I put it on, it actually has a lot of breathable parts. So I really don't require this, but it did come with that, and that's it. So I'm going to put the wig on and show you guys how it looks before we cut the mullet. So let's go ahead and install that. Okay guys, this was giving me Tina Turner. And we're rolling on the river. Let's get the styling. What I will say about this wig that I do love is that I don't have to do much styling to it. Like, this is already automatic, but it did get a little matted back there. I went to a show and it was outside, so it was a lot of sweating. So I guess like that caused the, if you ever wear a wig and the back of the wig gets a little thick, that's what this does. You know, like once you take the wig off, you got to comb the back good. That's this wig. Y'all, I'm kind of feeling like I don't want to cut this hair. Is that crazy?
Because it's pretty.
Thank you, girl.
You're welcome.
I had been shaping it, so like, honestly, like these parts right here were longer. Like, I just kind of shaped it down a little bit so it wouldn't be so much in my face. But y'all, I'm kind of feeling like I don't want to cut it. Is that crazy? But let me tell you why I do love this wig, for this simple reason. Like, oh my gosh, like, if you want to rock out, dude, this is the wig for you. I love everything about this wig. You know what I'm saying? Because I want that in your face type of like messiness. It's going to do it. And then I could just, you know, do a little, I don't know. Bruh, stop it, y'all. Y'all about to have me not cut this. The intention of this video was to cut this. Meow. Oh.
What?
I'm feeling so sassy, yeah. Cause you know how good. Very special. No. You just can't hide. Anyway, oh, I love, oh, yeah. Okay. That's why I like this wig, because it's very versatile to be a mullet, you know what I mean? But hyped up, and I need to comment down. I'm getting hyped up, but I'm gonna comment down. I'm gonna comment down because ultimately the goal was for me to come on here, style this wig to be more like this. I don't know if I want that to be that long though. Probably gonna be something like, yeah, like that. Like that, yeah. And I may have thinned that part out more, but that was the intentions. Like, cut down a lot to where it would be like this. But y'all done got me in here messy. You done got me to comb it in. You got me on 1, 2, a while on you. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is so like, girl, are you a rebel or no? Listen, I am not my hair. I am not my hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna cut it. I kind of don't want to cut it with the wig on, but I kind of want to cut it to face. So, whew, I'm gonna cut it with it on. So, I already know, like, too dramatic, I know. No. Now, I'm just gonna use my razor. It's a good old, this old razor. Just thin out some of these pieces. Cause, you know when you cut your hair shorter, it be too thick, you know what I mean? And see, like this part behind my ear, this part gonna have to be a little bit shorter. I don't know how I'm gonna do that part though. Let's see. I'm trying not to make a mess, y'all, so I'm trying to throw it in the trash. I don't know why I'm cutting like that. Knowing I could just shove y'all. Oh, Lordy. That felt a little bit like my hair. Let me check me out. Get up in there. Feel a little bit like me a little bit. I don't like that, y'all. Yeah, I like, ooh. I like that. Now this wig right here, it's a little bit too, see, like this piece right here is too long. Cause I don't really know where you're going. No direction in life. Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely too long for me. I don't like that. So one thing I don't like to do, y'all, is cut. I've just never been good at it, and I don't like cutting. I don't cut enough. So like, I just feel like if I mess up, you can't grow weave back. So that's another reason why I don't like to cut. So honestly, when people want their hair done and it requires cutting, like I can do layers, that's not a problem with long hair, but it's the shorts that I just don't prefer. You know what I mean? Like, just trying to see this hair too, because I wear makeup, it's like stuck to this piece of hair right here. I don't understand why. I'm trying to see if I can get, like, you know, the classic updo. If I tease it a little bit, you know. See, oh, this is too long. Let's thin this stuff out. Doing this makes me realize that I need to do one of these. Well, this is good right here, how I'm doing it. And you know, see, hold on, watch my real hair. My braids is old, y'all, so that's why my hair's sticking out. Probably should have took it out for my head, but I need it on so I can see how I like it on my face to know. Oh, man. I wanna tell you how to love you. Yeah, my makeup is creasing. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Call me a mini Tony. 'Cause 1, 2, oh, I love you. Okay. Calm it down. Okay, you could tell I already don't cut that, but oh, this is giving me everyone falls in love sometimes, or sometimes it's wrong, and sometimes it's right for everyone. Someone will spare. There comes a point when we will let, yeah, say, oh, you that do, my love. All you gotta do is say, shoot, your hair. My long child. Oh. Whoa. God's heart always broken when there were unspoken in the Julian. When you're searching for a place you know, a familiar place you want to go. When you look inside yourself and you're halfway. See, now I'm gonna cut this side too short. Okay. Let me get a feel for this little end here 1 second. And I'll be RB. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much it. I didn't even want to cut it too much. I kind of like it like this, so we're gonna see how I feel. May cut it some more, but for the most part, y'all, this is a go. I do love this wig. It was only like less than $25, which is really good. It came in decent timing, 2 days if you have Prime. And I really did like how it came originally. I'm just a little bit extra, so I started to cut and trim it out some more. I definitely like it. Put in the comment section below if you think I should have kept it like it was, like it like this, or you want to see me cut it some more. I probably will, knowing me. I may even see how this does with a little bit of a heat. But for now, y'all, I love it. I like it. This is cute. So thumbs up if you like this video. If you made this far, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.